but there's no dislikes. Oh,
There we go.
oh,
There we go.
oh.
You got her.
Yeehaw, redneck, East Bum.
Just jump on it.
Go for a ride, Ashley. Chicken shit.
Look at you.
What the? Jeffrey's moving back. Action cam. Whoa. Whoa. There's somebody in there. Could you imagine? What a torture. Way to torture him. Yeah. Yeah, I get, yeah. I don't see why not, right? Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, I mean, you just roll it, grab it. I guess we'll stand it up for him, huh?
Yeah, I would stand it up.
Dang, that was seamless. Human ingenuity. They say we evolved from apes. It's monkeys use tools. According to, what is it, Dude, Where's My Car? I think? They use sticks as tools. And now look at how far we've come. We use straps to pull fridges with trucks. If you guys never been to East Bum, this is kind of redneck shenanigans that we do. I always acted like we weren't rednecks here, but maybe you should just embrace your true redneck.
He puts on camo Crocs for one time.
One day.
I thought we weren't talking about that on the video. Guys, somebody got me Crocs for my birthday?
Oh, okay.
Something. One of the holidays. Some holiday just passed. But,
2 weeks after
yeah, I got Crocs. I wasn't happy about them. And I wore them. They're pretty comfortable. So, but I'm not going to wear them out.
Oh, you said that on camera.
He's embracing it.
Uh-huh.
I might wear them out now. No, probably not though.
All right, go get the next one.
There's more.
Yep, do it all over again.
Used to run it was keep it refrigerated. Keep it.
Oh, God. He's out. Oh. All right, let's go back down.
Nice.
3 to 13.
Taking care of business.
Oh, okay.
Bagel. This one's the lighter one?
Everybody says, but I don't know yet.
I think it is, though.
Get down there.
Oh, stretchies, stretches.
You didn't do anything.
What? Yo. Actually work your butt down here.
No.
Ew. Whoa.
They're probably saving them things. Work smarter, not harder. Young chicken.
Yes, the toilet's wild. The toilet pumps all the water into like it pumps to the sink, the shower, and it has so much force, like it pumps the water up. Just for all from the toilet. So that way we didn't have to like break the concrete and like put shit like under it. It's all in the toilet tank. It's pretty wild.
That's interesting.
It's got a macerator in it. It grinds everything up and then pumps it up. Oh, yeah.
But it wasn't enough to pump everything because the washer and dryer that's gonna go right here, we had to get a second pump to handle that too. Because it was like there's also the kitchen sink on that side of the bathroom with the washer and all of that. It was like too much. So there's a second pump in the.
What's gonna be right here, the big area?
Ooh, you guys will have to stay tuned. Stay tuned for that. Second I got his ice cream parlor, I might get one of my little. I got my movie theater. I want one more thing. We'll see.
Admit,
Another movie theater?
2 movie theaters. I want an AMC and a Regal, so I can simulate movie theater wars.
Let me go up this way
Yeah.
for this one.
So you can see our back.
Yep.
Rush is getting a different angle.
Mm-hmm.
They jumped her.
Oh.
Oh.
Watch the top. Ready?
Yep.
Go. There you go. You got it. Go.
Oh, hold up.
Got it. Yep, take your time. You got it. Take your time. Got it.
Cool. It seems like you probably just wheel it, right? Yeah, fucking shoe came off.
Yeah, got me
guys.
Ow.
If he was wearing Crocs, that would
yeah,
never
yeah.
happen.
Yeah, four-wheel drive.
Because they're steel toe
Yeah.
Crocs probably too.
Oh, maybe,
So what do you want to do? You want to try pulling it again, or just
you want
on
to
the
do.
wheel?
Try wheeling it for like 5 seconds,
Doesn't matter.
because it seemed doable.
Okay. You grab your handle, I'll grab mine, and we'll spin around and see if they can push. Actually, spinning in dirt here pretty good.
Get this way.
All right.
Probably not.
No.
Now,
Yeah,
it's
digging.
Yeah,
Drag it.
yeah, because this tire just got pretty stuck.
All right, let's take this off. Wherever you want to go. Don't matter. Yeah, we got 10-foot wheels. So we're good.
Fun.
You see him?
No. This will be good if we keep it here, and then we get to see like a tail whip thing, and he like hits his truck. Jerry's getting like PTSD from when we dragged his PlayStation 4 on the driveway.
I never got another one after that.
Yeah, we didn't replace that one,
Why?
like behind the scenes, because we actually wanted that one to be real.
Oh.
Yeah. We did that sometimes. We're like, well, let's make it real. We just never bought him a new one.
And I threw my favorite coffee mug against the house and broke the siding in the coffee mug.
Didn't get a new one.
No.
It was a priceless heirloom.
Yeah. Had the fleur-de-lis on it. That's how you know it's historic and important.
Yep. Wasn't in the script. He just got actually pissed because he thought we weren't actually breaking it.
Well, Uncle Larry was telling me I should do it.
Oh.
Yeah, he was like, hold on, I don't agree with what Jesse's doing here. I think you should do this.
That
And I was
sounds like something
this
that
makes
happened.
sense.
Yeah.
Not ready yet.
It's not hooked up!
You want to do the next one
It's
too?
not hooked up! Oh, you can't do action cam?
Nah, it's probably more exciting for them.
No, you're exciting too.
No, don't get me!
It's going to fall
Get
forward.
away.
Just like block out your face in the edit.
Yeah.
Probably fall
John's
forward.
face.
However you want to.
John.
We'll just hook it. All right, let's hook it, man. We'll just hook it. Didn't this happen like this before? Yeah. I think
OJ's glove.
All right.
Let's see, 2 for 2. Oh. Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Timber. Oh.
Oh, there we go.
Shit. And he's taking his time with this one. I'm about to surf this thing. Nah, I'll probably bust my ass. I wish I was gonna be the proud owner of these two luxurious refrigerators. Oh my, oh. Wow.
Fine job.
Guys, comment below if you want one of these fine refrigerators. The yard is still somehow more intact than when Scamp was running on it.
Switch.
You miss her trail.
Yep, Scamp's trail is regrown.
It has.
Put on the.
You want to bring that other refrigerator over there? Bring the other one over?
Oh,
too?
oh, will he take that?
I'm sure he will.
Probably.
He's taking these ones. It's paid by the weight.
Will he take like other junk?
If it's metal, we probably
Only
will.
metal?
Only metal.
Ugh.
Probably, you know, we'll take the small refrigerator. Yeah, probably the small fridge.
Yeah.
I don't think I'll take that.
Probably not this.
We just set that on the tailgate then?
Yeah. Yeah, this don't have much weight at all.
Flip over the. I'm happy with that shit.
Good job.
Yay.
Got all this scrap out of here, so that leaves us free roam for the basement. Get it all done, and we got our safe.
It's all good then.
Only on the Psycho Dad channel can you see business getting taken care of.
Nobody pulled a muscle. Right, Wayne? Nope.
We don't know that till
good.
usually the next day. Like, yeah, that wasn't so bad, and then tomorrow it's
You're
like,
already doing your stretching too.
You're not gonna feel it immediately.
yeah. It was like that brain injury. I remember I was like, oh, I did that stunt, great, I'm good. 3 days later,
Hey guys, it's Scarce here.
You guys, Ma, leave that one in. Leave that one in. People should get that. How's Scarce doing these days? I don't know.
B-I-N-G-O. Need it for anything else? That thing?
No, I don't think so.
Just out of it, aren't you? Yeah. It's all good.
I mean,
It's your mom's from the canvas shop anyway.
there's just a crap ton of stuff in the garage, but it's not anything that we can.
But that's easier than hauling it up steps.
Yeah.
You know, when it's in a garage or something.
Because I think it's just like all like dump stuff. Because they take that, right? You just gotta pay.
You
Or
just
something?
pay, yeah.
Yeah.
Sound kind of landfill.
Yeah, you have to take it there though. They don't come pick that up. You'd have to get maybe one of them little dumpsters or something, fill it up with all your shit out of there,
Oh.
and then they'll take it away. Like,
Well, I can't say it's mine, but it is.
oh, okay.
What?
Well, I think you got some time for your gift exchange today.
Yeah.
Yep.
Soup day here at the house, which is good.
Yep. You see that on Wayne May's channel, the gift exchange, the May family.
The gift that keeps on giving.
Yep. You get a YouTube channel, and you get a YouTube channel.
So, well, I appreciate everything. We're going to sign off now. Everybody have a great day and a good life.